From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? It's a question that has captivated our imaginations for millennia. Today, our understanding of the universe is expanding at an unprecedented rate. With each new discovery, the possibility of encountering life beyond Earth seems less like science fiction and more like an inevitable chapter in the story of humanity. For centuries, this question remained in the realm of philosophers and theologians. Now, armed with powerful telescopes and sophisticated instruments, scientists are beginning to provide tangible evidence that we may not be alone in this vast cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is no longer a fringe pursuit. It is one of the most compelling scientific endeavors of our time. In recent decades, astronomers have made remarkable strides in discovering planets outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. Using telescopes like Kepler and TESS, scientists have identified thousands of these distant worlds. Some of these exoplanets reside within the habitable zones of their stars, regions where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. Liquid water, as we know it, is essential for life as we know it. The discovery of so many potentially habitable exoplanets has fueled our belief that life may be abundant throughout the universe. But the presence of water alone does not guarantee life. Scientists are also searching for biosignatures, chemical fingerprints that could indicate the presence of living organisms. The search for alien life takes many forms. Some scientists are focusing their efforts on Mars, our closest planetary neighbor. The red planet shows evidence of a watery past, and robotic rovers are currently scouring its surface for signs of ancient life or even extant microbial life. Others are looking further afield, to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus, which harbor vast oceans beneath their frozen shells. Meanwhile, the SETI Institute, short for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, is listening for radio signals from distant civilizations. Using powerful arrays of radio telescopes, SETI scientists are scanning the cosmos for patterns in radio waves that could indicate an artificial origin. The search for alien life is a multi-pronged endeavor, employing a diverse array of scientific tools and techniques. Section 4. Voices from the scientific community. The scientific community is abuzz with excitement about the search for extraterrestrial life. Dr. Sarah Seeger, a renowned astrophysicist at MIT, believes that finding life beyond Earth is not a matter of if, but when. Dr. Jill Tarter, the former director of the SETI Institute, shares this optimism, stating that the universe is teeming with planets, and it would be the height of arrogance to think that we are alone. However, not all scientists are convinced that we are on the verge of discovering alien life. Dr. Paul Davies, a physicist at Arizona State University, cautions that absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. He argues that we have only just begun to scratch the surface in our search and that we should be prepared for a long and arduous journey. Section 5. The Great Debate. Optimism versus skepticism. The debate over the likelihood of finding alien life is often framed as a battle between optimists and skeptics. On one side are those who believe that the universe is teeming with life and that it is only a matter of time before we make contact. They point to the vastness of the universe and the abundance of potentially habitable planets as evidence for their position. On the other side are those who argue that the conditions necessary for life to arise are so rare and improbable that we may be alone in the universe, at least in our corner of the cosmos. They cite the Fermi paradox, which highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations existing and the lack of evidence for their existence. Section 6. The Endless Frontier. The search for alien life is a journey into the unknown. It is a quest driven by our innate curiosity about the universe and our place within it. Whether we find evidence of microbial life on Mars or receive a message from an advanced civilization light years away, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would be a transformative event in human history. It would force us to reconsider our place in the cosmos and challenge our understanding of the nature of life itself. The search for alien life is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and our enduring fascination with the mysteries of the universe. The journey continues,